Java Programming MCQ. First, which statement is true about Java? A. Java is a sequence-dependent programming language. B. Java is a code-dependent programming language. C. Java is a platform-dependent programming language. D. Java is a platform-independent programming language. Answer D. Java is a platform-independent programming language. Java is called platform-independent language as it works on principle of compile once, run everywhere. Second, which component is used to compile, debug and execute the Java programs? A. JRE, B. JRT, C. JDK, D. JVM. Answer C. JDK. JDK is a core component of Java environment and provide all the tools, executable and binaries required to compile, debug and execute a Java program. Third, which one of the following is not a Java feature? A. Object-oriented. B. Use of pointers. C. Portable. D. Dynamic and extensible. Answer B. Use of pointers. Pointer is not a Java feature. Java provides an efficient abstraction layer for developing without using a pointer in Java. Features of Java programming are portable, architecture, nature, object-oriented, robust, secure, dynamic and extensible, etc. Fourth, which of these cannot be used for a variable name in Java? A. Identifier and keyword. B. Identifier. C. Keyword. D. None of the mentioned. C. Answer is C. Keywords are specially reserved words that cannot be used for naming a user-defined variable, for example, class, integer, etc. Fifth, which is the extension of Java code files? A. .js, B. .txt, C. .class, D. .java. Answer D. .java. Java files have .java extension. 6. Which environment variable is used to set the Java path? A. Maven path. B. Java path. C. Java. D. Java home. Answer D. Java home. Java home is used to store a path to the Java installation. 7. Which of the following is not an OOPS concept in Java? A. Polymorphism. B. Inheritance. C. Compilation. D. Encapsulation. C. Compilation. There are 4 OOPS concepts in Java: inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. 8. What is not the use of this keyword in Java? A. Referring to the instance variable when a local variable has the same name. B. Passing itself to the method of the same class. C. Passing itself to another method. D. Calling another constructor in constructor chaining. Answer B. Passing itself to the method of same class. This is an important keyword in Java. It helps to distinguish between local variable and variables passed in the method as parameters. 9. Which of the following is a type of polymorphism in Java programming? A. Multiple polymorphism. B. Compile time polymorphism. C. Multi-level polymorphism. D. Execution time polymorphism. B. Compile time polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. 10th. Which is truncation in Java? A. Floating point value assigned to a floating type. B. Floating point value assigned to a integer type. C. Integer value assigned to a floating type. D. Integer value assigned to a floating type. Answer B. Floating point value assigned to an integer type. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for further videos.